So the biggest announcement at the Next Today Store event in New York was a completely new line of computers called Concept D. What Acer found out was that a lot of people were buying their gaming laptops to do professional work with video and movies because those were the only PCs that had the graphics power that they needed for that. But as you know, gaming laptops tend to be really loud and really hot, and that doesn't really work in a professional situation. So these Concept D computers, they're going to come with Xeon CPUs and Quadro GPUs that can really pump through the pixels. But they also designed them to be quieter than regular gaming PCs. They said the max volume is going to be 40 decibels, which is library quiet. And the other thing is that they're branching out in design. Some of these products are going to be white, the desktops are going to have this really interesting looking bamboo wood top, but design in general is going to be a huge priority here. Look at this one. This is the Concept D9. This is a laptop. Look at this mechanism. This is not something you're going to see on a $500 PC or even a $1,000 gaming PC. This is a really sophisticated product. This is just a prototype. The Concept D9 is not going to ship until the end of the year. When it does, it's going to have a starting price of $4,000. Now, you can buy a really nice gaming laptop for $4,000, but it's probably not going to be as quiet or as beautiful. But I think there are a lot of video professionals who are going to be glad to ditch their Predator Helio 700 for a Concept D9.